Hey there, welcome to my video, and for today let us discuss the emergent literary genre. This is Barbie Joy C. Panilag. Keep watching and find out what genre are you into. Do you love literature? What genre do you like? Let us first discuss what is emergent literature. Emergent literature is the term used to describe the reading and writing experiences of young children before they learn to write and read conventionally. Here are the 13 genres of emergent literature. First on the list, we have creative nonfiction. Creative nonfiction is a genre of writing that uses literary styles and techniques to create factually accurate narratives. The creative nonfiction genre can be rather elusive. It is focused on story, meaning it has a narrative plot with an exciting moment, rising action, climax, and denouement, just like fiction. These are the examples of creative nonfiction. Even the Stars Look Lonesome by Maya Angelou. Behind the Beautiful Forevers by Catherine Wu. Show Me All Your Scars by Lee Gutkind. Next genre we have hyperpoetry. Hyperpoetry is a form of digital poetry that uses links using hypertext markup. The links mean that a hypertext poem has no set order, the poem moving or being generated in response to the links that the reader or the user chooses. The famous examples of hyperpoetry is the sonnet, Sonnet 1 for 1 by William Shakespeare. And there are also other examples of hyperpoetry. Next on the list, we have chick literature. Chick lit is a modern fiction about the lives and romantic problems of young women, usually written by women. Chick lit typically features a female protagonist whose womanhood is heavily thematized in the plot. Examples of chick lit are When Life Gives You Lululemons by Lauren Wisberger, The Regulars by Georgia Clark, Ayesha at Last by Uzma Halaudin. And we have illustrated novel. Illustrated novel refers to an extended narrative with multiple images that together with the text produce meaning. Therefore, the illustrated novel is not a work graced by a single decorated cover or frontispiece. Examples of illustrated novels are The Year of Beast, Hugo Cabret, and the Book of Genesis. Graphic novel. A graphic novel is a book made up of comics content. Although the word novel normally refers to long fictional works, the term graphic novel is applied broadly and includes fiction, non-fiction, and anthologized work. These are the examples of graphic novels. We have Nimona by Noel Stevenson, Coraline by Neil Gaiman, and Maos. Text talk novels is the next literary genre of emergent literature. The story was told through dialogues in the social network. The information of the whole work can be read at the websites and exchanged by using chat or any. That is the definition of text talk novels. So these are the examples of text talk novels that I have searched on Google. Next, we have the manga. Manga is a style of Japanese comic books and graphic novels typically aimed at adults as well as children. Manga are comics or graphic novels originating from Japan. Most manga conform to a style developed in Japan in the late 19th century, though the art form has a long prehistory in earlier Japanese art. And manga examples are the Astro Boy. Astro Boy was created by Osamu Tezuka, and the famous Naruto was created by Masashi Kishimoto. And of course, my favorite, The Dragon Ball by Akira Toriyama. Then we have digital fiction. Digital fiction is a fiction that is written for and read from a computer and can be web or app-based for tablets and smartphones or accessed via CD-ROMs. It is a book that includes passcodes so that there is more information for the book online. It might be short videos to watch or more text. Sometimes digifiction can also mean that the entire book can be found in an online version only. So these are some digital fiction. The Operative Sequence, a book by David Stephen, J. Works Heiser, and Stephen Case. Then we have Invasion at Bald Eagle by Chris Ashton, and Killing It Softly, the book of Rachel Kane, Jennifer Brozek, and Elaine Cunningham. Next is the Doodle Fiction. Doodle fiction, a literary presentation where the author incorporates doodle drawings and handwritten graphics in place of traditional font. Drawings enhance the story, often adding humorous elements that would be missing if the illustrations were omitted. These are some examples of doodle fiction: The Doodle Dog, Danny's Doodles, and Captain Underpants is also a doodle fiction book. Then flash fiction. Flash fiction is a type of fiction that characterized by being very short, typically consisting of only a few hundred words. It is often incorporates surprise, usually in the form of a twist ending or unexpected last line. So these are some flash fiction examples. As you can see, we have The Widow's First Year by Joyce Carol Oates, and Give It Up by Franz Kafka, and Taylor Swift by Hugh Bem Stenberg. And then we have six-word flash fiction. The word six-word, just 6 words, 2 commas, and a full stop. In literary circles, however, widely regarded as a small and perfectly formed work of fiction whose interpretation has fascinated experts for years. 6-word flash fiction examples: For Sale Baby Shoes Never Worn by Ernest Hemingway, and Everything Changed with That One Knock by Guinea. Then, the genre of science fiction. Science fiction is a genre of speculative fiction that typically deals with imaginative and futuristic concepts such as advanced science and technology, space exploration, time travel, parallel universes, and extraterrestrial life. It may include time travel, teleportation, mind control, telepathy, and telekinesis, those aliens, extraterrestrial life forms, and mutants. It may also include space travel and exploration, interplanetary warfare, and parallel universes and fictional worlds. And these are the famous science fiction genre. As we all know, the Star Wars by George Lucas, the Hunger Games, the famous Hunger Games, was created by Susan Collins, and Journey to the Center of the Earth by Jules Verne. And lastly, we have blog. Blog is a regular updated website or web page, typically one run by an individual or small group, that is written in an informal or conversational style. Posts are typically displayed in reverse chronological order so that the most recent post appears first at the top of the web page. So these are the examples of blog, and of course it will differ on what are your interests. For example, we have 5 ways to get your kids active for the parents, and we have a guide to fiberglass pool cost, and of course the pinch of yum, which includes different cuisines. Those are the emergent literary genres. So what do you like? I like it too. Thank you for watching. Bye.